Welcome to Üsküdar Bazaar. A lot of fresh fish. He's waiting for a treat. Cow, lamb, goat legs, cow legs, cow head, brain, liver, kidney. You have it all here. You got seafood, fresh seafood on the other side, and then you got the others on this side. Yeah, that's a ton right there. 160 for a kilo, $10 or so. Spices over there. So that's a bakery here, fresh bakery, fresh meat. Wow, smells amazing. Whew, I can smell it. I see cheese, different kinds of cheese, olives here. You got just fresh out the factory. He's selling them here, fake Colombia brand. All right, so we just ordered 1 kilo of olives, half and half, for a total price of $75, $4 for both of them. That's really good. He's the owner here. He's like, make me famous. We just got some warm sumit, guys. Warm sumit. This thing is hot. I can barely bite on it. Place right behind us right here. This is the most popular thing to eat in Turkey, sumit. You can eat it any time of the day. Breakfast, lunch, whatever. One of the favorite places of ours to eat here in Üsküdar, guys, is called Urfalı Kasım Usta. Their food is really good. We've been there multiple times. They have liver, kebab, so that's liver right there. So you got liver, you got starters, you got ayran like Osmanlı. So this is spicy food right here. All right, guys, so let's give it a taste. I'm gonna start out with the kebab first. Put some onions in it, put some tomatoes on it. There you go. Have some ayran. Really good, spicy actually. Let's give the liver, there you go. First bite for you guys. Come to Üsküdar, have some kebab, have some liver, go to the bazaar, have an amazing day.